Hello and welcome to this project outline for developing a PLC controlled car paint oven automation. The layout on the right shows a car paint oven. Let's develop a PLC program to control its operation. Verify if the temperature exceeds 30 degrees Celsius. If it does, set S2 to 1. If not, activate the heater until the temperature reaches the required level. Set S2 to 1. A spray operation. Turn on the spray valve for 30 seconds. Air circulation. Activate motor M1 for 10 seconds to circulate air and speed up drying. Completion. Once all steps are completed, a green light turns on, indicating the process is finished and ready for repetition. A stop button. The operator can stop the process anytime by pressing the stop button. Now let's go through the pre-written ladder relay control program for the project and see how it meets the project's requirements. The control program consists of 8 program codes and the heater is already on. I proceed by setting the temperature to a value greater than 30 degrees, for example 35. To activate S2, setting it to 1. Additionally, I activate I02 to set S1 to 1, indicating that the door is now closed. I have 3 inputs here: a start, normally closed stop, and S1. I activate a start. I activate I02 to set S1 to 1, indicating that the door is now closed. The process has already started with the spray valve activated for 30 seconds. Followed by the air circulation fan running for 10 seconds. And finally, the green light turning on to indicate the completion of the process. I can now tap the stop input to shut down the system. Open the door to deactivate S1 and remove the painted car. Then close the door, activate S1 and press Start Input to begin the next process. The project is successfully tested on a virtual Allen Bradley PLC. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.